Take a ride in the 2024 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard four-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, trailering package, electronic stability control, traction control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.